Hi Ayush. I had not recorded it just now. I was going on speaking without recording it. See how much he is licking you. What are you doing, Ree? How this little guy he likes you, Ayush. He keeps licking you because he loves you.
I like how you stand on his hind legs.
My son. How much I love this guy, yeah. You ate something nice with your hands yesterday. He's sitting and licking that, I think.
No, I didn't.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. We should get that girl also, Ree. She's outside. Look at that. Ayush, I'm convinced you ate something nice with your hand. That's why he's like licking like you would lick Maggie off a plate or something. अब्बा अब्बा affection देखो इसका.
Makeup is eating all of the crust. He just
Oh
loves
God.
crust.
Thank you, मेरा बच्चा. No wonder you like to spend time with him. He's just so relaxing, right?